The temperature is gradually warming up and more people are going swimming. If we use Alsavo Elite Pool Heat Pump to regulate the pool temperature, we can swim all year round without having to be affected by the temperature. Swimming is very physically demanding, although it relieves heat and cools you down. Therefore, when swimming, you will also sweat, and the sweat will quietly leave your body and hide in the water of the pool. To know if you are sweating, look for these signs. 1. Whether there is difficulty in exhaling and inhaling. 2. Feeling thirsty during exercise. 3. Heat in certain parts of the body. Without special attention, we are not sensitive to sweating in the water, so much so that dehydration can sometimes occur. Therefore, it is recommended to hydrate properly 1 to 2 hours before swimming to ensure that you are able to balance your body fluids while swimming.